Hello students, welcome to the grammar world. Today we will see what are tenses. Tenses help us to talk about the timings of our activity when that particular activity was done. Tenses हमें उस समय के बारे में बताते हैं जिस समय हमने कोई काम किया था या कोई काम हुआ था. As we all know, there are three types of tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. Today we will focus on the present tense. Present tense has four parts: simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. Let's focus on simple present tense. We use simple present tense when we talk about a habit, a routine or a universal truth. सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस हम यूज़ करते हैं जब भी हम कोई हैबिट या कोई रूटीन या यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ के बारे में बात करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हैबिट, आई ड्रिंक कॉफ़ी. रूटीन, आई गो टू ऑफिस डेली. यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ, द अर्थ रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड द सन. Here in present simple tense we use subject plus first form of verb. Here we use do or does. Do we use with plural like we, you, they, and does we use with singular like he, she, any name. Now let's talk about the present continuous tense. Whenever the word continuous written, we use verb first form with ing. Is used with singular subject he, she, it or any name. We use am with I and we use are with plural subjects like you, we and they. We use present continuous tense when there is an ongoing activity going on at present. Present continuous tense हम यूज़ करते हैं जब हम किसी कंटिन्यू एक्टिविटी या कंटिन्यूस एक्टिविटी के बारे में बात करते हैं. When any activity is in motion at present time, जब भी कोई एक्टिविटी प्रेजेंट टाइम में कंटिन्यू हम प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, boy is flying a kite. I am talking to you. They are watching my video. Now let's talk about present perfect tense. In present perfect tense we use has or have along with verb third form. हम present perfect tense में has या have का यूज़ करते हैं verb की third form के साथ. We use present perfect tense for finished action in recent times or present time. Present perfect tense हम यूज़ करते हैं जब भी हम कोई present time में या recently जो भी action finish हुआ है तब हम present perfect tense यूज़ करते हैं. Example, I have finished my lunch. Here we use has with singular subjects and we use have with plural subjects. For example, she has explained tenses right now. They have understood everything. Now let's talk about present perfect continuous tense. It takes has been or have been plus verb first form with ing plus since or for. Before proceeding, let's see where do we use since and where do we use for. Since is used whenever we mention a point of time. For example, since 10 a.m., since 1999, since childhood. जब भी हम कोई एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम बताते हैं तब हम since का यूज़ करते हैं. For is used for duration और period. For हम यूज़ करते हैं जब हम किसी टाइम ड्यूरेशन की बात करते हैं लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल फॉर 2 hours, फॉर 20 years, फॉर 15 minutes, फॉर 20 seconds. Now let's see where we use has been and have been. Any activity that starts in the past. It can start one day back, it can start 5 hours ago, it can start 10 minutes ago. And the same activity is still going on in present. जब कोई एक्टिविटी पास्ट टाइम में स्टार्ट होती है, चाहे वो एक दिन पहले स्टार्ट हुई हो, चाहे वो 5 आवर्स पहले स्टार्ट हुई हो, चाहे वो 10 मिनट्स पहले स्टार्ट हुई हो, एंड द सेम एक्टिविटी इज स्टिल गोइंग ऑन इन प्रेजेंट, और सेम एक्टिविटी प्रेजेंट टाइम में भी चल रही है जब हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इट हैज़ बीन रेनिंग सिंस मॉर्निंग. I have been dancing for 2 hours. Here, raining has started in the morning and still continuing at the time of speaking. I hope present tense is clear to you now. I'll come with next part related to tenses. Till then, don't forget to practice this at home. You can also write sentences in your copy. Okay? Goodbye.